Hello viewers, document management system. We have updated this system. Previous version was .NET 5.0 and missing some feature. We got some important feedback from our major stakeholders. We have updated like multiple file upload options. So previously you just add single file at a time. So if we go to the documents, add new documents, here choose file, you just can add one file at a time. So we have added the feature at a time you can add multiple. And secondly, we have updated the UI. Also we have updated the user access option, like admin rather than other user. If login, then he or she can access his file or assigned file, not all the list. Added PostgreSQL database support. Currently these applications support 3 different databases: MySQL, PostgreSQL, MSSQL server. Also we have updated this project from .NET 5 to .NET 6. So this version is pretty faster, and we have fixed a few bugs and pretty more suitable rather than previous version. So let me also we have added the tag option. Adding multiple tag, you can track your documents. Also by using the tag you can search your documents as well. So by login, as a login admin user, I can access all the features. So let me show the new feature demo one by one. First I will I will show you the multiple file upload option. Also one important feature we have added. Previously if you added the documents, all the document location was just all the document location or directory was single directory. Currently we have added each document wise new directory. So you can go to your document directory. You can find the document wise directory. Also we have added the path in the display documents information. Let me show you. If I click the document details, so here you can see the name, file D name. Here is the file directory name, first one file name _doc, and this is the auto generated number with date, and here is the upload directory location. So I have allocated multiple file. Just let me copy that location. Test. So here is the total 7 file, different type of files: PDF, PNG, text. So I will add all the files, and let me open the application upload directory where we can find all the files. So here is the www root directory, and here is the upload. Previously all the files were located here, but in this current version, once you add one new file, there will be created new directory. So let me show you the demo by adding multiple files and also the new directory. So test data, I'm just naming this file as test data. And if I click the choose file, and here is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the file I have selected. So showing the 7 file has been selected. If we go to the tag option, you can add like some test character, do also to So we have add tag and add multiple files. If I just save, document created successfully. And let me show you what happened. If we go to the directory, project directory, see, here is the test data doc underscore with date some number has been created. If we go to this directory, see, we can see all the 7 files by adding the unique numbers before the file name. And if we open the test data new document, so we can see the directory name, directory location, and all the details, also the tag as well. File details. Here you can check all the file details with download option, view option. So PDF image file you can easily view. If you click the view option, here is the another tab, you can view here. And if we back to the file details again, if I click the PNG, we can view PNG file as well. Here is the comment, auto generated just test comment. Assign, you can assign this document to the application user. So once that user login that once that user login into the system, then he or she can see this document only. Also the share option, over the email you can share this file history. This is the document history. See, just document created, unassigned, a document assigned to employee, and here is the some comment history. Also we can download the document. Let me show you, just downloading the PDF. So if I download, click, so PDF document has been downloaded, and we can see the test document file. So new feature is tag new option. I just added that triple jet tag. If I search using triple jet, so we can filter this file. So major 3 feature we have added, like tag option, multiple file upload, and the folder directory details. And if you go to the application directory, you can easily identify your expected file directory. So if we, let me add one more new file, d_test. If I just single file, save, and if we go to the directory again, d_test directory has been created, and just single file has been added. And if we add this file, we can add multiple file again. Also the delete file. Delete file just will delete from the database flag. You cannot see the file, but file will be keep in the previous location, just for soft delete, not hard delete. And if I select one new file, add files, so one new file had added successfully. See, and we can view file as well. So this is the new feature overall details, and this file currently saving in the directory. Also you can save this file in the database, save in database. If you just click this checkbox, then file will be the byte format and save into the database. So multiple file upload, we have added tag option, user wise file list. So let me show you the user wise file list. So if we let me go to the user, demo user, pharmacist 02. So currently this admin user can access all the files. This is the admin user, and if I sign out and log in as a pharmacist user, this user cannot see anything. He or she need to allow this file access. So I'm logging again as an admin user, and go to the user management. The action column, you have to select manage page access. You can search the access document update. Role update successfully. If we log out, log in. So this user don't have any document assigned. If we assigned a new document for this user, so that he or she can access that document. So if I log in as admin user, and go to the document list, edit, assign pharmacist user to save, update successfully, and let me add one more document like pharmacist user to save. So 2 documents we have assigned to the pharmacist user. We can see this user details as well, and if we log out and log in as a pharmacist user, then in the dashboard, in the document, this is the dashboard, blank dashboard. If we click the documents, then yeah, so we can see 2 file assigned, 2 file only. So this is the full controlling application from admin user. Admin user can access, allow the other users, and other user can access only the assigned file. So this new feature we have added in this version. And another important feature we have added this release. That is the .NET 5 to .NET 6. And let me just give you a short overview from codebase. And here is the codebase. I just open using VS Code. You can use Visual Studio as well. So document management system, here is MVC framework we have used to model view controller. Here is my model, here is my controller, and here is the view. And in the www directory root folder, we have add.js front-end control and other asset in the image and upload file. So this is the project structure, and why I open this project is structure because of .NET 6 updated. Previous version .NET 5 was startup and program, but in this new version .NET 6 only the program file. So all the dependency and all the DB connection we have to take care in the program.cs file, and here is all the packages we have added. So this is the basic overview of .NET 6 version, and .NET 6 is pretty faster than .NET 5, no doubt about that. Also we have added dashboard asset like icons, also the user details, and sidebar we have updated. If we go to the user management, and we have added the user icon. So as a default, 10 user will automatically 10 or 20 user automatically created once you run the application. All seeder has been written in the code base. So one and last important things, I got multiple requests, DB not created, and project not running properly, application database not connection properly. So this is happened only because of proper DB connection. So I just let me give you a simple overview from codebase. Here is the DB connection. So this is the multiple DB connections. Like first one is no crit. So in the SQL server using Windows authentication you can log in, so without password, username and password, that's why no crit. And this is MSSQL. Third one is PostgreSQL, MySQL and Docker base from Docker database. I just use this database from my Mac PC. So first one is no crit. I just currently using this connection, and I have used like Azure Data Studio, which is pretty faster and light. And you have to check your server name. Just simple this query, select server name. So here is my server name, and you have to make sure server equals to desktop. This is your server name, and database name trusted connection true, multiple result set true. So this is the simple connection, and this connection string, just DB connection string, you have to paste here. Done. Once you save this and run this application without just let me show you by deleting the database as a proof. I just here is my database already showing document ms def. So the database has been deleted successfully. And if we run the project, just build and run the project, then automatically as a code first approach, database and all the required seeded data will be created. And let me just give you a simple overview where I take care of the seeded data seeder. In the startup.program file, program task extension, seeding data. In the data folder, I can see all the seeded data as well. Once you purchase this application, right now I'm not revealing all the details. So build is success, and if I run the project, taking more than extra time as usual, because data seeding, table has been creating, also data is seeding. Yes, so database creation success and data setting is success as well. If I refresh the database, we can hopefully we can see the new database name as document MS Yes, if we expand this database and table, we can see our as expected table has been created successfully, and the application is listening 5011 localhost. Yes, here is our login screen. If we just sign in as an admin user, so we can successfully log in by using a new database. We have deleted database, so database has been created successfully, also all the seeded data. And if we go to the user management, as expected, we can see 10 plus user has been created successfully as a demo or test data user. So here is the overall summary. Main feature is you can add the document and manage your document properly and assign this document to other user, also share this document over email. And another important feature is you can trace the history of the document, all the edit function, delete and assign other user, all the action will trace over here. And you can download and view as well info. So in we have a plan in our future version, we'll add the signature so that you can import in signature required document, you can add the signature by digital pen. We have a plan. And so summaries, we have added multiple file upload option, add file tag, user wise file access, a new design. So if we go to the dashboard, we can see the dashboard design and sidebar design has been updated. And .NET major update, it's .NET 5 to .NET 6, and one new database support, which is PostgreSQL. And another important feature we have added, every document will now save in the directory as a independent directory with file name with a random number by prefix at the current date. So hopefully this application now is more mature. So in the previous version, we'll deploy this application in the production as well, so that you can check the demo. And I hope you guys purchase this application, and hopefully you will share your valuable feedback for next release, so that we can add additional feature as well. So thank you for watching the video. and see you in the next video. Take care.